Alright, first few seconds you're going to see is the first lap I did. I thought the camera was rolling. Well, it was. It was rolling on time lapse. So it's a real quick lap, but we did 5 laps. Just thought I'd put this on first so you didn't think I screwed up. Well, I did screw up, but I'm telling you about the screw up so you don't say, this video sucks and click off of it. Alright. Alright guys, well I already walked the whole lap, but the GoPro was on time lapse, so we'll take that, put it on the end, that way it's not wasted. Welcome to the channel. We're out walking. We're going to do a full 5-lap video today. Yep, I already did one in time lapse. I'll fix it in editing. Alright, if you're new to the channel, I usually walk a lap and talk, then I speed it up and play music on the last 4 laps. So we have 4 to go. Since it was on time lapse, that doesn't have audio, I'm going to talk on this lap. And we're off. Boy, these GoPros, you gotta really pay attention to what's going on with these things. I've lost many of clips and entire videos because it was on the wrong setting. Alright. It is 57 degrees. Rain is in the forecast, should be here anytime, so I'm out probably about 7:30 getting this done. I want to get back to doing these daily. I've been up since 4:30, but it's too dark that early. But I have been walking. Just because I don't do the videos doesn't mean I haven't been walking. And not only that, doing physical activity around the place. So I'm getting my exercise and I can feel the results. And I'm still losing weight. I think we're gonna just keep that on the down low. Y'all can notice my weight loss in my videos. Heck, I'm even starting to notice it. Usually when you're looking at yourself, you don't see it. Alright. Still haven't drank any milk. Still haven't bought any bread. Still haven't touched any alcohol for 9 weeks. No bread, no milk, no alcohol for 9 weeks. And I don't miss any of them. I'm enjoying my life. With the exception of all the stray dogs that have been coming around. Yeah, it is getting out of hand here. These people are something else. The ones that don't spay and neuter and just let their dogs run free. Should be a law, but there isn't, and there won't be. Whew. 57 degrees. A little bit too cool or warm for sweatshirt. It's alright, I'll sweat it out. Alright. That's lap number 2. Alright guys. Hopefully I don't screw up on the GoPro anymore. Let's play some music. Here we go. All right, guys. We're on the last stretch of the 5th lap. Ooh, I wished I'd have wore a t-shirt instead of this shirt. Hey, but sweating's good. All right. Appreciate y'all joining me. I don't remember if I said, but I'm gonna try to do these every day now. Got to do the 5 laps. Even though I'm doing activity, these 5 laps are the best thing for me. So we're gonna finish this one. I got an armadillo back. That's what they do. They're not good to have around. All right. And here we are. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you haven't checked out my other channel, Dogman, go check it out. That's my bigger channel. I also have a new channel. It's really not new, but I just took it out of top secrecy. Dogman Shorts. A lot of people don't like a lot of shorts, so I started a separate channel for that. It's just something for me to have fun with, and don't really care gets monetized or not. I mean, it's only gonna be short, so I ain't gonna make much. All right guys, we will see you on the next one. Happy trails.